What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're in anime channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-110551-3, failed to read the disk. So sometime your disk is dirty, it's not playable, that's why you're getting error. You must clean your disk, and after that sometime you're having got some restrictions of the region, that's why you get this error. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and we go to the screen. Hey, you must check your update the system, the application is up to date or not. And secondly, when you try to update, it's getting the error. And secondly, go to the system and check the system software is up to date or not. Sometimes using older version, that's why you're getting the error. You must update these. And third, you go to the family management. Sometimes you're having your PSN account some restriction, you just turn it off the restrictions, because some disk have the region restriction, it's not working in the some other regions. So you just set on the don't restrict, and you can change the region also from here for the display. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.